So now that we know how to take measurements with the correct number of significant figures, how do we use significant figures in calculations to propagate uncertainty and proper level of precision and accuracy? So with addition and subtraction, we're going to treat this like elementary school and we're going to line everything up. So for perimeter, it's the sum of all of the sides. We've measured two sides of a rectangle, assuming that opposite sides are the same, and so we want to line these up. So 1.73, 1.801, line them up by place, and we can do this again, 1.73, 1.801. Okay, and we're going to add these up. So since we've lined up by place, we notice that there is a point at which a couple of our measurements here, or one measurement of 1.73, does not have a measurement to the thousandths place. Okay, so remember, we've got ones place, we've got tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place. So this has been a while since we've talked in these terms. And so what we've got here are question marks. We don't know what these two numbers are to the thousandth place. And so what we do is we add up the number without those pieces, 6, and then 14 plus 16 is 30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 7.062. But any measurement that has uncertainty in it, we have to round off at the end. Okay, so this 2, we're not sure if it's 2, a little bit more than 2, exactly 2, we don't know, so we round it off, and our final answer can only be what we are certain of after the round off, and it's 7.06, and centimeters are our units. Okay, and so what did we do? We lined it up and then we rounded at the end. Multiplication and division, a little bit different, not too bad. If we want to find the area of a rectangle, well, area is length times width, and so we can take our 1.73 centimeters and take our 1.801 centimeters, multiply those together. Okay, and so with multiplication and division, the number of Sig Figs is going to be equal to the number of least Sig Figs in any factor or divisor. And so here we have a number that has 3 Sig Figs, 1, 2, 3 digits. Here we have one that has 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our final answer can only have 3. So we multiply this out, 1.73 times 1.801, we get 3.11573 centimeters squared. And all this stuff is what my old high school teacher used to call calculator garbage, okay, Mr. Tomlinson. And so we have to say here 3 significant figures only. So there's our, let's use the same color here, there's our dividing line, only 3 Sig Figs, so we round to 3.12 centimeters squared for our area. Okay, we can't be any more accurate than the hundredths place because of the uncertainty in the measurement. So what about order of operations in Sig Figs? Okay, so suppose we have a complex calculation such as this. So you all know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and that goes parentheses and exponents, parentheses, then exponents, multiplication and division next, addition and subtraction last. And so we need to do parentheses first, and here we have addition, so we have to line them up. And we notice here that we can only go to the hundredths place. because there's uncertainty in the second measurement. Okay, that's a question mark there, so we'll just make it an X so we can see it easier. We don't know what that is. Okay, 0.222, so we have to round it off. And so our new calculation then, after parentheses, is 0.22, whatever the units are not given, so we don't worry about those. 140 divided by 142. So now we're down to division, and so we have to go by the least number of sig figs. Here's 2, here's 3, so our final answer can only have 2 sig figs. So 0.22 times or divided by 142 is going to give us, calculator garbage, 0.001549, keep going, 296, all that junk. We can only have 2 significant figures, so we round off 2. Where's our 2 sig fig line? There it is. Okay, 15. And do we round up or down? No, we don't. We round down because it's a 4, and so our final answer is 0.0015. There will be a deduction of -1 if your significant figures are wrong for a long calculation or a long problem, but several of these problems are going to show up that may be 4 and 5 points apiece, where the specific goal is proper significant figures. So be very careful about significant figures.